Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and in-depth analysis of the latest products on the market. Today, we're diving into what many consider to be the best baby car seat bag available, the SLYNNAR car seat travel bag for airplane. This ingenious travel accessory is a game-changer for parents on the move. Whether you're jet-setting across the country or simply hitting the road for a weekend getaway, keeping your child's car seat safe and secure is paramount. And that's where the SLYNNAR car seat travel bag comes in. Let's talk about what sets this bag apart. First and foremost, it's all about protection. Made from reinforced tear-resistant material and featuring special stitching techniques, this bag is built to withstand the rigors of travel. But it's not just about durability. The bright red color and large S logo make it easy to identify your car seat, ensuring it safely finds its way back to you. Plus, there's an ID box for you to write your name, adding an extra layer of security. Now, let's talk convenience. This bag is designed with busy parents in mind. It folds easily into the attached spandex pouch, making it compact enough to fit in your diaper bag, backpack, or stroller basket. Say goodbye to bulky, cumbersome travel gear. And here's the best part. This bag is compatible with almost all major brands of infant or toddler car seats. No need to worry about whether it will fit your specific model. With dimensions of 34 by 18 by 18 inches, it's spacious enough to accommodate them all. Now, I know what you're thinking. With all these amazing features, it must cost a fortune. But fear not. The SLYNNAR car seat travel bag is available at an incredibly affordable price point, making it accessible to all parents. So there you have it, folks. The SLYNNAR car seat travel bag for airplane is not just a necessity for traveling parents, but a must-have accessory that offers peace of mind and convenience in equal measure. Trust me, once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever traveled without it.